Okay, I just wanted to share some support and sympathy with those that are affected by the Texas wildfires and those in Canada also. I know there's been human casualties and several thousand animal casualties, which is tragic. So our thoughts from over here in the UK go out to anyone affected by those, and let this be a wake-up call to everybody on a global level about how our decisions around natural resource management and environmental decisions are going to impact other regions on a global level and future generations. So sympathy with you guys. Anyone out there affected, thoughts go out to you.